Hi guys, if you want to see how I make this delicious okra banga soup, just stay tuned and keep watching.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting.
Hello beautiful people, you are welcome back to my channel, the Delta Peking. Thank you so much guys for your support and your love, your comments, your like. I've been seeing you all. Thank you and God bless you. So guys, today I'll be making okra banga soup and I'll be showing you the Delta way of making okra banga soup guys. So guys, just stay tuned and enjoy this video. I have my already mashed and extracted banga juice on my pot already. So here is my banga juice, and this is everything I'll be using to make my banga soup. I have fish, dried fish and dry beef, which I made myself. I dried it myself guys. This is it, fish. And I have my cooked meat. I have assorted meat here. I have goat meat, I have cow tribe, all assorted meat mixed here. It's half cooked guys. And I have my dry fish. I've washed and deboned it. Here's my dry fish. And I have okra, my fresh okra. I've washed but not yet chopped. I have my washed bitter leaf. I'll be using it also. I'll be using bitter leaf. I have my pepper, dry pepper. Under it I have about a tablespoon of egusi. You can as well use only pepper, so but I always add egusi to my banga soup. And I have my banga spice. I have two type of banga spice here guys. And I have my seasoning cube. Maggi crayfish is the one I'm using. And I have salt guys to taste. Every soup need salt. So guys, everything I'm using here is clean and prepared. I have my meat stock, not forgetting, here also. So guys, I'm going to allow my banga to boil. See, the banga have boiled. I'm adding my blended pepper, egusi and spice. Yeah, I'm also adding my meat stock to it. I'm not adding all, just one or two of it. And so guys, this after about 10 minutes, I'm adding my seasoning cube. That's my maggi, and I'm adding my dried fish and meat I made myself guys. So I'm also adding my cooked meat. Yeah, cooked assorted meat. Okay, that's what I'm adding now. So guys, if you are watching and if not yet subscribed to my channel, you want to see more of this beautiful video, please subscribe. Thank you. I'm gonna stir my soup nicely. Yeah, at this minute you don't want to cover your soup or else you lost everything. I'm adding salt now to taste. I'm adding little because my meat stock and seasoning cube contains some salt already, so I'm not adding much salt to it. Just stir it nicely and leave to simmer. And look, now after 5 minutes I'll be adding my dried fish. Yeah, I'm adding my dry fish now. We're going to add everything and stir gently because it's much here. Just going to do it nicely, gently. And guys, add my onions. Yeah, sorry I didn't show you onions at the beginning when I was showing or introducing my ingredient I was using. So I forgot. I know. And guys, just leave to simmer again for another 10 minutes. Yeah, but before then I'll be chopping my okra to my desired size because I want it crunchy. I want to feel the crunchiness of my okra. I'm going to be chopping it like this, but if you like, you can do it in your own way. You can grate it, you can blend it, but I want to feel the crunchiness of the okra, so that's why I'm chopping it this size. So guys, my banga have been boiling for 10 minutes. I'll add my okra, my chopped okra to it. And stir it. Just give a nice stir, guys. And I'll leave it to just simmer for 3 minutes because I like my okra to be still fresh. So I'm adding my bitter leaf. Now I just had my bitter leaf, guys, my washed bitter leaf. I'll stir it nicely and leave it for another 2 to 3 minutes, guys. And yeah, our soup is ready. Yeah, guys, I'm adding my habanero pepper because I like my food really spicy. Yeah, so guys, our soup is ready. Yeah, it's ready to be downloaded, guys. You can use starch, you can use pounded yam, you can use eba gari or whatever swallow you like, guys, to eat your okra banga soup, guys. But I'll be using pando. So guys, I'll be serving my soup, yeah, on this clay pot, native pot. If you've been watching my video, you will know I like using this pot to eat. I enjoy using this pot to eat. There's this taste and aroma it gives to your food when you use this pot to eat, guys. So god, it's so delicious, guys. You need to try it. Oh god, thank you guys for watching. So I really appreciate you and I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please don't forget to like my video, comment and share to your friends and loved ones. Thank you so much and god bless you. Bye guys, until you see me in my next video. I remain the Delta Pekin. Bye.